Resume.
Mr. Presiding Officer.
Yes, there is still a pending motion
Yes.
regarding the nominal
I
voting
just
of
want to second the motion of
The motion.
Board Member Claudette Ambida that the issue regarding the appointment of Ms. Catherine Buted for concurrence be put into a nominal voting. I second the motion.
Okay, so it has been seconded the motion of Honorable Claudette Ambida for the nominal voting. Is there any objection? Discussion? Hearing none. Hearing none. Motion is approved. So, those who are in favor of okay, so by district ang gagawin natin. 1 minute recess.
Yeah, may I request